Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to go way back to 1969 with a song that was a big #1 hit for a band called the Archies. This is called Sugar Sugar. Now I know what's going to come up in the comments section about how they weren't a real band, and yes, you're right, they wasn't. They were put together out of session guys to make a record for the comic strip of this fake band called the Archies. So there we go. That's how that come about. If you like today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So if you're all ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Let me show you how that's done. Sugar Sugar. So first off, what we've got a D chord. Now I'm going to show you how to play this. I'm going to make this for complete beginners. So first finger, second fret of the G string. Then we're going to put our second finger on the second fret of the E string, and then our third finger on the third fret of the B string. Now we're going to play 5 strings for that, so the A string down. Next one, we got G. We're going to go second finger, second fret, A string, third finger, third fret, E string, and then little finger down there on the third fret of the E string, the high E. There we go, that's all 6. And then we've got an A, which is literally 3 together. Bring it up to the screen. So we're going to be starting from the D string, second fret of the D string, second fret of the G string, second fret of the B string. It's controversial, but I play all 6 on that. There's some books you read that will say 5th string down. I'm aware of both ways. All 6 is good. Then we that's the chords. So we've got D, G, and A. Later on, we've got the C chord, which is first fret of the second string, the B string, with our first finger. Then we're going to move up to the D string. That's going to be the second fret of the D string, and then the third fret of the A string. That's 5 strings for that. Okay, but yeah, so getting back to the, so we've done the chords, getting back to the strum pattern, what we want to do, so it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay, is the chord. We're going to be using our D chord for that. So instead of just going, just relentless down, up strumming, what happens in the record is down, up is a chop. And the way we do the chops, so we're going to go down, up, and then as we come down, we're going to stop the strings from ringing with the edge of our hand. Some books say palm, but it's not really the palm, it's the edge of the hand. So as we get that chop sound, as we come down with the pick, we immediately stop it with the edge of our hand. So we've got down, up, chop, down, up, chop. Down, up, down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up, chop. Sugar, G, honey, honey, D. And then we got D, you are my D, G, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2. So, that's the strum. So down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up. So let's go through them chords. Let's just do down, down strums, just so as I can show you how the chords go together. So we've got D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, G, 2, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2. And then we start again. So one more time. 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, G, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the verse. Now, the only way it changes the verse is in that last chord. The last chord went to A. We're going to do the last time round into D, and then that brings us into the bridge. So let me explain that to you. So the complete run through as it happens on the record is like this. D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, G, 2, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2. Second time. D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, G, A, 2. This is how it's different. D, 2, 3, 4. Stay in D. That's how that's different from the first time round. Right. Then we've got bridge, the bridge. This is the bit that goes, I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you, that bit. So we got D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, D, 2, G, 2, D, 2, 3, 4. And then it does the same thing again. D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, D, 2, G, 2, A, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that again. So the bridge goes like this. 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, D, 2, G, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, D, G, A, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Then he goes back to the verse again. So let's take you through all of that. This is the complete play through the verse and the bridge and the with the chop. Down, up, chop, down, up, chop. Down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up, chop, down, up, chop. Right, so let's take it through. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, the G, D, G, D, G, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, A, D, G, D, G, D, G, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, D, C, and D, D, G, D, D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, D, D, and G, A, 2, 3, 4. And then we just go back to the verse again. So there we have it, Sugar Sugar by the Archies. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you would like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So with all that said and done, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.